So for this one, we are going to be creating a texture with Saran wrap. So you will need a piece of this one before you get started. So for this, you can paint whatever colors you want. I'm going to use a little bit of a darker color combination. And I recommend blending a couple colors together for this so that you can see it a little bit more. So I'm actually going to kind of do just a quick gradient in here of this purple, going to blue to black. Now the key with this one, oops, I'm switching up my water cups. The key with this one is to make sure that you work quickly. Otherwise you're not going to see the textured effect. So then once there is enough paint and water on there, you're going to take your piece of Saran wrap. Don't spread it out like this. You're going to lightly crumple it, and you're just going to place it over top like this. And I kind of like to press it down. And then we're just going to leave it, and we'll let it dry, and we'll see the texture that it adds to after it's dry. So probably tomorrow during your next class, or if you're back in about 30 minutes or so, we'll be able to see the effects of it.